She sits wide. She sits wide. Absolutely crazy how this truck has changed from, shoot, since we got it until now. The guy right around the corner, he wouldn't recognize it. I mean, yeah, just crazy. We saw this thing sitting on the side of the road, and driving by, you just think, oh man, look at that turd. You know, it just looked like it just looked like a beat up, nobody wanted it kind of 12 out. You know what I mean? I mean, everybody wants a 12 out regardless, you know, but it was just like, I'm just driving past, I'm like, man, I was actually filming a vlog. This is back in, I think it was August. I was filming a vlog, my the OG truck. And then you'll see the RPMs drop from like 1800 to 1100 or something, like really quick. Actually, there's the second gen for sale right here. I had no idea. And it's a Cummins. Wow. I'm gonna have to come take a look at that. Looks a little bit rusted, but diesel's a diesel. Driving past and I saw this truck sit on the side of the road and I was like, what the heck? I'm like, it didn't have a V8 badge. I'm like, that's gotta be a 12 out. It had the classic long bed, you know, no folding extended cab door. I mean, I just knew. I'm like, that's a 12 out. So I drove back around, grabbed the number, called the guy. Let's just say by the time we actually closed the deal, we gave him $5 grand for it. It's a 150,000 mile 12 valve. We had some things to be able to pull that price the way we did. The bed was absolutely no good. It was shot, and as you can see, it's laying right there. The bed was shot. Of course, there's that rocker rust on this side, and about an inch up for about a 6-inch wide stretch right there. The part of the door's rusted. I mean, you guys see that stuff. This truck has come a long, long way, and it went from being an old grandpa truck, you know, sitting on the side of the road, really wasn't getting much attention, to just being a total animal. I mean, this thing is crazy. It's gonna be a lot cooler very, very soon. Actually, if I can right here, I'll show you a before and after picture on the screen. Yeah, that right there, that's the same truck. Just absolutely crazy. I mean, and this truck's still got a long ways to go, so don't think that I'm just, you know, putting up that before and after as like this is the end. I mean, this truck still has a long ways to go, and it's gonna look even crazier when it's done. What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely incredible this morning. It is a bright and early morning here, up and out here around 7:30 this morning. So very excited. It's a cool morning. It's crisp, but it's not windy. It's not bad. It's 45, sunny. Just a really, really good feeling out here today. So we're gonna be getting ready to do some more stuff on the Nasty Red. Now, I might break this video up into two. We have a buddy, his name is Jacob, coming over today. He's been helping us pretty much at the end of each week. He's been coming over on a Saturday to spend a few hours over here helping us out on the truck. He kind of works on heavy diesel equipment and stuff all the time. He doesn't necessarily modify 12 valves, but he's like, if you guys need some help, you know, doing things here and there, like I've done similar things, you know, plenty of times. So gladly help out. So he's gonna come over this morning in about an hour. But for the next hour, I'm gonna spend probably this video prepping for what we're about to do, and then carry on and film the rest. Otherwise, there's gonna be too much footage, and it's not gonna turn out to be very well. So I'm gonna get to doing that right now, and we're gonna get that topside creeper over here. Make sure we can still use it. Probably gonna close this garage door, turn on a heater possibly, and get started. Well, we can still use the topside creeper, absolutely no problem. If I don't forget, I want to leave a list of the things that we use in the shop now that absolutely help us out like crazy. For example, the topside creeper, you might not believe it, but it's a life-changing upgrade to have in the shop. Makes a huge, huge difference, no doubt about it. What we're gonna do here, and just to kind of sum it up, I need to take off the pusher, Mega Twin. I need to take off the fuel lines right here, all the little mounting clips. I need to take the lines off of the injectors. I think that's about it. And the reason for that is we've got some things going on here. Not necessarily the first thing we're going to do, but we are going to fix that number 2 right there, injector leak, from not checking when we put them back in. Didn't even check just to make sure. First off, if there was a double washer on there from taking them out in and out once, or if there was, yeah, we didn't check it. We just put it in there, and Dad's like, yeah, crap, you know what I mean? So whatever. But we got some 60-pound valve springs from Diesel Auto Power. I will leave a link down to their website below. Great guys over there. Hook you up with what you need, and they seriously provide almost anything you need for diesel trucks. So whether you want to do performance mods, they have some replacement stuff, tuners, exhaust stuff, I mean everything, all kinds of stuff. Head studs, valve springs, governor spring kits, you name it, they probably got it. So go check them out, link in description. Huge shout out to DAP for sponsoring this video. And I believe in here, maybe not, I thought these were, but I thought these were the push rods. And these are the push rods for the Nasty Red. So we got the valve springs, push rods, head studs. What else? Is that it for today? The goal is to do the valve springs, head studs, and push rods. Now, we also have, now that I just am thinking about it, we have the new rocker pedestals, the new DAP rocker pedestals that are machined down properly for the ARP head studs. And I'm not for sure how we're going to do this. I'm probably going to let Jacob explain. You know, we kind of talked to him and we kind of asked around. We looked in the forums and stuff, and we think we're going to try to do one at a time, like in one cylinder at a time, possibly do, you know, head studs, push rod, and valve springs. Go to the next one, head studs, push rod, valve springs. So let's get to disassembling some of the things that we're going to need to disassemble right now. Well, would you look at that? Well, everybody, that is going to put a wrap on that video. Just got everything prepped and ready to go. So in tomorrow's video, you should see some moving forward with the horsepower and, you know, kind of insurance mods on the Nasty Red 12. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little video for today. There's going to be another one tomorrow, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with a friend if you enjoyed, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're new, join the team, join the family, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.